Argentina's economic boom may be over. After years of record growth, its future is now the subject of constant speculation in the financial markets. Brian Byrnes reports from Buenos Aires.
Business is brisk at Florencia Videla's natural food store in Buenos Aires, but like many small business owners here, she has had to raise her prices by as much as 30% in recent months to keep up with price hikes handed down by producers of the dried fruits, seeds, and spices that she sells.
Me parece que hay una inflación mayor.
Inflation is higher than earnings. People's income is staying at the same level, but prices are rising out of control.
Now inflation is threatening to derail Argentina's decade-long economic comeback. Following its economic crash in 2001, Argentina enjoyed some of the highest growth rates in the world. The economy grew at an average of 8% over much of the past decade, fueled in large part by booming global commodities prices. But now a series of external and internal factors are causing a sharp decline. The government expects 3.4% economic growth this year, decreased demand from top trading partner Brazil, a farming drought, and trade caps have contributed to the drop, analysts say.
Argentina was doing well, now it's doing modestly well. This year is particularly bad.
Economist Eduardo Levi-Yayati says Argentina's attempts to bolster reserves with interventionist policies has both worried investors and benefited its neighbors.
If next year we are growing at less than 3%, where everybody else is growing at 4 or 5, that would be both an economic and a political failure. And that's where we are now. The government is against the wall, trying to produce drivers or to rekindle drivers for growth. Some of these measures are ill-advised responses to this lack of growth. I don't see them succeeding with those measures.
Argentina has been threatened recently with censure by the International Monetary Fund and seen its credit rating downgraded. Yet President Cristina Fernández de Kirchner remains steadfast that her economic policies are the right ones to move the country forward. Brian Byrnes, CCTV, Buenos Aires.